इशरह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वाहलुल उक़दत मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली। बच्चों, today we are going to solve some simple questions. Question number 1 has 3 parts. Simplify each of the 3 parts. The part A is 240 grams, ratio 1.8 kgs. There are 2 different units, one is in grams and one is in kilograms. First of all, we will convert these kilograms into the grams. 1 kilogram is always equal to the 1000 grams, so we will multiply the 1.8 with 1000 to get the values in grams. After multiplying, we will get, instead of 1.8 kg, 1800 grams. 240 gram ratio 1800 grams. Now we will divide both the values with 10, and after dividing the 10 by 10, we will get 24 grams ratio 180 grams. Now again we will divide by 12 and we will get 2 grams ratio 15 grams. It's up to me. I choose the values 10 and 12 to divide the values. Now you can divide by any other value, like you can divide by the 2 or by any other value which you want. Ultimately you will get the same answer. Now we will move towards the B part, that is 3 by 5 ratio 5 by 9. To simplify these fractions, we will get the LCM of 9 and 5. After getting the LCM, you will multiply both the ratios with that LCM. Solve this part on your LNW register and send me the clip. Now the part C, that is 0.36 ratio 1.2. To solve the decimal values, we will convert them into fractions. To convert them into fractions, we will get the values 36 by 100 ratio 12 by 10. Now the LCM of 10 and 100 is 100. So we will multiply both the values with the 100 and then we will get 36 ratio 120. Okay. Now we will simplify these values by dividing which number? Guess. By dividing 12. So 12 divided by 36 and 12 divided by 120. We will get the answer 3 ratio 10. Now we have another question that is little bit similar to the yesterday's question. That is a sum of money is divided among Khairul, Michelle and Ethan in the ratio 6 ratio 4 ratio 5. After Khairul gives $30 to Michelle and $15 to Ethan, the ratio becomes 7 ratio 6 ratio 7. Find the amount of money Khairul had initially. So we have to find out the value of Khairul. Now let the amount of money Khairul had initially, that is $6, and we'll suppose the amount X. So Khairul had initially 6x. Then the amount of money Michelle and Ethan had initially, that is 4x and 5x. Now Khairul gives $30 to Michelle, that is 4x plus 30. 4x is the value that has the Michelle already, and Khairul has given $30. So that will be added to his amount. Khairul gives 15 to Ethan. Ethan has initially 5x and 15 will be added to his amount. Now bachcho, Khairul has given 30 to one and 15 to another. So he has given total $45. Now Khairul has 6x minus 45. $45 will be subtracted from his initial amount. Now 6x minus 45 ratio 4x plus 30 is equal to 7 ratio 6. Is that fine? Now 6x minus 45, we convert the ratios into fraction. 4 over 4x plus 30 is equal to 7 by 6. Now cross multiplication, 6 will be multiplied by the 6x minus 45 and 7 will be multiplied the 4x plus 30. After multiplying, we will get 36x minus 270 is equal to 28x plus 210. 36x minus 28x. We arrange the values in such a way that we gather the values with x in one side and the values without x on the other hand side. 36x minus 28x is equal to 210 plus 270. 36 minus 28 is equal to 8. 8x is equal to 480. 8 is going to be multiplied with x. When we will move this multiplying 8 to the other hand side, the operation will be opposite. It will be division. So now we will divide 480 with 8. And then we will get the value of x, that is 60. Now the amount of initially Khairil had, that is 6x. So we place the value of x instead of x, that is 60. 6 multiplied by 60, that is $360 Khairil had initially. That's all beta. If you have any query, any ambiguity, you can ask to me. I am waiting for the part B.